So today topic our I can say the kind of documents like RFQ, PO document. Okay, so how we create and how we assign into system. So in SPRO, this is a configuration. Okay, if you go to material management, there is a purchasing. Okay, in purchasing we have many kind of document. Okay, if you see the RFQ, purchase order. Okay, purchase requisitions. So we start from purchase requisitions. So in the purchase requisitions, you can see the defined document types for purchase requisitions. So if you click here, you can create your own. Okay, and here we have the kind of number ranges. Okay, so it is kind of, so if you create 10, it will be automatic increment, right? So this is the kind of increment interval, I can say. And this is a number range. Okay, so what happened if you create this document? Okay, so you will assign this number. So this number range already we have defined. Against this, again this we are defining the series. I will show you. Okay, and if there is a kind of override, we can tick mark. Okay, so we can create your own also. And if you suppose you are taking AB, okay, so if you click on this purchase requisition document type, it goes to new screen. Okay, where we have some standards categories there. So it is showing what happened in the requisitions. We have some item categories. Okay, if you open any PO, yesterday, do you remember what is the PO number? Let me check my screen. So PO number, PO number, PO number. Noted down somewhere else, right? I am not able to see. Okay. See, there is a field. Okay, count assignment category and item category. Okay, so this is a kind of document. So through this document we can assign. Okay, and what is happening, once we assign this item category, means we can classify material and products, okay, based on kind of various combinations. Okay, suppose we if you want to create subcontracting PO, so in subcontracting PO we need item category L. So if you click here, there is a different kind of process going on. Okay, see, in the standard item category is the blank. Can you see this? So that's why we put item category as a blank in standard PO. But if you're going to create subcontracting PO, so this is L. Okay, consignment K. So this is a kind of category. Okay, we are defining, and we will create the other document type or other P2P cycle. We can see. Okay, so this is the item category. Based on this is the we are defining, and this is a account assignment category. Okay, so account assignment category related to other process. Okay, suppose if you want to goods issue, okay, against the cost center, so we can utilize K. If there is a kind of MTS production process going on, so it is not for the only PO, there is a other document also. Okay, if it related to asset document, so asset comes under the kind of FI process, so they will use it. If there is a kind of framework order, so we can use app. So based on category, we can utilize this. So okay, so in this, see, this is a case saying this document is created. Okay, but if you're going to create with a consignment, it will not create because it is not assigned. So in this system, it is showing it is assigned with K. So whenever you create, if you want to use this document for the subcontracting process, other process, you need to go come into this requisition and you can assign it. Okay. So this is the standard purchase requisitions. You can review this. Okay, you can create your own. And generally, what is happening? Generally, what we are doing, suppose purchase requisition is there, right? So let me check and be there or not. If you see NB, please let me know. NB. So this is NB. Okay, so you can just call, if you want to create new, you can just copy it. Okay, so I'm just showing you this document and you can put your own. Copy should not available. Okay, you can put copy all. So why copy all? So what happens once you copy this? So we are creating our own document with reference to SAP. Okay, so it is showing all this entry. Why we made copy? So what happened once you created this one? Okay, let me put N1. So not sure why. So it's not seeing here. Not sure why. Okay, so we can create, and if you click here, because we copied, so system is copying all these things standard. Okay, if you see there is a, if you scroll down, see there is a all process. If you're using standard, it is blank. Okay, if you put down, if you come down, it is K consignment. Okay, L is the subcontracting as third party. So these are the standard process we need to follow. Okay, and once you save this, okay, so this is the kind of TR. So first we will save. So this is creating. Okay, this is a TR. If you see the prompt for customizing request. Okay, so if you want, you can create your own request. This is the configurations. Okay, so if you have already own, you can make own or you can create your own. So I'm going to create request. Okay, so see, we can put okay, E ERP as for Suhit. I can put L for Labo for our industry. Okay, so we can put like this S L and always put the date. So what happened? If you see, it will be saved into this. So I'm going to save it. Okay. This is a request. You can write down this request yourself. Otherwise, if not, then we can search again. So you can see this is the document is created. Okay, so this is a kind of configuration. Once you make any configuration into SPRO, request will be generated. So first time you can create new, and whatever changes is there, it will be saved to this TR. Okay, and through this TR, we are moving from PRD to development to QA. So let me tell you these things, the basic things here, so you can understand how system is working. So if you create, if you make before this, okay, we have created just document ZN1 RFQ. So this is our topic, okay? Below is the topic, but I'm telling you what is happening. So once you save any SPR or configurations, okay, configuration custom. So custom will be done by a web team, but I'm putting, so you should know. So what happened? TR will be generated. Suppose if you are giving T1, I'm just putting 2045. Okay, so this number you save. Next time if you do any configuration until it is moved to next server, if you save, you can save into this. Okay, same number. So whatever change you will be do, okay, once it is finished, okay, you will test it like that. Okay, so development system, then QA system, then PRD system. Okay, so what happened? Whatever you have make it, okay, it will be into this. So now my TR into here. Try to understand this scenario. Okay, so this is a process going on. So once it is done, then people do the testing. We are calling unit testing, and then it is moved to quality. Okay, same TR will be into quality. Bye. Good night. Good night. Okay, so UT unit testing is done. Then this TR will be moved into QA system. Then QA person or other team will be checked. Then UAT will be done, and then it will move into this. Okay, so while moving to development to QA, okay, we need to release it. And QA to PRD again release. So this is the task will be performed by release will be done by base team. Okay. So this is a process you need to follow. So our task is we need to just create and save. And once we are ready, we can ask to release to team. Okay. Or otherwise I will let you know later. So yeah, so if you create new document, it will be kind of, okay. I saved it. So this is the purchase requisitions. And there is a number range. Okay. Define number range. So if you go here, so there are lots of things there. So I show you, right, 06 number in RFQ. So we are assigning this number here. Means 06 is saying this series will follow. Lots of number ranges there, not sure whether it will. 06, where is 06? Okay, so in 06, these are the number range. Okay, so we can define like this. So this is a requisitions and number range. So what happened in the standard already that you will get the purchase requisition. Otherwise, you can copy and paste. So this is purchase requisitions, and let me show you also MA51 and see we have created now. See ZN1 purchase requisitions. Can you see this? So once you create, it will be here. So you can try your own. So this is a purchase requisitions configurations. So purchase requisition, then purchase order. Where is purchase order? Purchase order. This is a purchase order. Okay, sorry. Before purchase order, we can see also RFQ. So RFQ document. Okay. So if you remember, we have created earlier SK001. Okay, we were getting the issue for the AN, if you remember. Okay, so see, it is 04. And what happened? In 04, it already is fulfilled. Okay, so that's why we were getting error. So again, if you want, you can create your own. So I created ZSK001 yesterday, right? Let me show you. Where is SK00? Yeah, this one. Okay, so this is a kind of interval, and we have assigned. So you can means see, there is nothing worry about this because you will get the standard config. You need to just know how to copy, how to this, and you can utilize this. Okay. So SK001 is there. If you want, you can create your own. So generally, I did copy. ZSL1. See, it is giving means it is copy all steps and save it. See, again, it is asking, okay, so last time I saved this one, so that's why I'm giving. Suppose if you want to create your, again, you can create this one. Otherwise, what happened? No need to create one. You can select your own. So if you can, because it is giving same, so you can, if you click on this one, it will show your one. So you can select this one. Okay. So whatever we are going to change, it will be into this same TR. If you want to create new, definitely you can create. But I would say if you are making the configuration in one set, try to create one same TR and put here and save. So this is also created. So if you go Amit 41. See, makes sense. So this is the kind of documentation. Okay, we can create our own document. And let's save it. So you try to copy, okay, and you can see there is a, what are the changes, what are the fields are there. And so RFQ, purchase requisitions, and purchase order. So purchase order document. So I would say what you can do now, you can at least write down all this path later in your document. Like what is the kind of screenshot you can take. So in material document, first you need to go SPRO, then click on material document, material management, then you need to click on purchasing. Okay, then you need to go to into this. So you people can follow the same thing. Sometimes they ask you the kind of path, tell the path about this. And even if you start work, means it is easy. If you get kind of new document, you can create your own without searching or getting help from Google, right? So I would say please try to work on this. Means at least you must know the path, because in the path creation is not the challenge, because you can just copy from the standard one. Okay, purchase order. So purchase order, if you go, so everywhere is the same. You need to just understand. Okay, there is already document is there. So we have some standard, I can say standard, what we selected yesterday. I'll show you. Actually, this is the ideas. Okay, so sometimes what some people deleted and make some standard itself. So I cannot see the standard, but let me check. Uh, SNT something we were creating yesterday, right? Hmm. Yeah, this is the standard. Okay, SNT. So you can just copy from here. Okay, so I will show you in standard what are the. So in standard we have some consignment, subcontracting, third party, stock transfer. So if you're going to create like consignment, so you need to maintain the item consignment item category K. Okay, if you're going to subcontracting PO, then L, then U. So while creation of PO, you can create your own. Okay. So suppose I will show you how it will work so you can understand. So whatever this is a document, right? So in this document, we have assignment multiple this. Okay, K, L something. So just let me enter here. So because we have subcontracting supplier also different. So not showing this document. Okay, I need to check other document for vendor, right? Vendor, we have enter. See this document, why it is important? Because we are able to find out some sample, right? So if you get the right sample, then it will work. Okay, so PO document, PO, purchasing group 001. Purchasing group also I will show you, okay? 10121. So so this is allowing. Okay, suppose if L is missing here, if L is not there, you cannot make this entry. Okay, so this is happening. And one more thing I will tell you. Okay, in the configuration is itself. Okay, there is some backend setting. This is the kind of some transaction. See this subcontracting process. If you activate this, see here. If you see the below confirmation blank, can you see this? This is a blank. If I put L, see. So some standard process will follow. So this is a technology SAP is provided. No need to do anything. They have set up. If they will create L, means this explode bomb or component will be activated because this is a process. Okay. So this is the kind of configuration is available into system. So that's why we are getting these features. Okay. So once you copy or make anything, please use all this standard. Okay. So that's why I'm saying you copy from each and everything. So your screen will be perfect. If you make kind of manual all these scenes, maybe you can stuck somewhere else because in the background it is a web coding. Definitely you can customize, like if you do not want to use same standard PO, you can make the change the configurations, whatever you want. And where SD, okay, this one. Yeah, system here. Management, material management, purchasing, purchase order. Financial analysis. Okay, see this is the document for standard PO. Okay, if you see this number is assigned to 50. Okay, so what is the meaning of 50 in this interval? Okay, if you go to number and selection, if you see there is a 50, no 50, how it is? Yeah, 50. Okay, so see this is a 50 number. Okay, so again 50 we have created this 50,001 to 79 sorry 7 lakh 99,000. Okay, so see this is the PO is showing, so this is the current status. Okay, so let me try to create one PO. Let me come out. 485 was there. Okay, why space bar is not working? This is a manual PO I'm going to create. Okay, see pen field is INR. Check. Okay. If I save this, okay. Let me come from this screen. If I save this, see earlier it was 500 485, right? It is 486. So see, once we will check into system, where our 50, 50. Here you cannot search, okay. See, this is a 50. See, this is updated. Okay. So this is updated automatic into system. You need not to worry about this. So, but what happen, once it is filled, then you need to assign other number ranges. So in our RFQ, this number range was full. Okay, so that's why we are getting the express document. So if it is full, you will get the kind of error. So it is happening into like 50 or 60 years. Okay, because they are also making the kind of archiving the system. Okay, so this interval again, this we are maintaining here. Okay, so always remember. And if you see, this is the kind of number range object is there. Okay, for each number range we have object. So I'm into the purchase document, so this is the object. So you can just remember. Sometimes if anyone asks, you can tell them. Okay, so this is a number range you can define. See, all it is block. Okay, so it will not allow, but let me try it. I can create some new ZS. Okay, I will give the small range 1,000. See, this is a showing overlap. Okay, so because everywhere it is block, so that's why we cannot. So, but in the real server you can see. I will check if any other number ranges is possible. Z1, what we define? We define ZS. It is overlap with the S plus. S plus, S plus, S plus, not there. But this is a process you can follow. Okay, you can see if you can try if an this is a number range. Okay, it is there. So let me try after this 42585. Okay, there is our Z1. Let me show you again. ZSL, ZS, I can give 49,000 to 66,000. Let's see. It is also overlapping with DK. So where is DK? Hope you are getting my point, right? If you not, please ask. So this is a way means you not need to worry about because it is IDA server, right? So you are getting lots of things in real time. You will not get like this. We have limited. So if you go here, you need to just follow whatever number range you want to create. First, you need to get document, go to interval and come here. Just put your name, okay? Or it is, sorry, name is some digit, alphanumeric, whatever you want. And you can give the number ranges here, okay? And just press enter. If it is not overlapping, it will allow save. And you can save it. Once you save, then again TR will be generated. Okay. So this is our document. Yes. 30. So RFQ and number range for RFQ. And there is a item category. Okay. So item category assignment, I can say it is assigning copy. So like L is the subcon, K is there. Okay. And this is the item, sorry, RFQ. I'll put into this RFQ, then, sorry, first PR. PR. So we have created PR like Z and 1. Okay. Number range. for PR. RFQ Z, RFQ we created what? ZSL. Number is for RFQ and PO, purchase order. What we have created ZS1, right? Number is for PO. And there's a item category. So let me tell you also, if you see purchase document, right? SND, 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 S. So if you click here, if there is a type of this hierarchy, okay, so you need to select and click here. So you will get it. So K is the consignment. Let me copy paste here. Anyhow, we will go through important things. Okay. So consignment stock transfer is also sometimes used. Framework order also used. So item category is a combination of material and vendor. Okay. Where we will define kind of stuff, the process. So any question on this? Suhit and Lebo, any question on this?
Nothing on my side.
Okay. So this is a document. This is a kind of SPRO. Okay, so configuration. So in the interview, means we will mention in your CV all this stuff. Okay, so you know the how to configure creation of the all document type PR, PO, RFQ, and assignment of number ranges. Okay. So they will ask you the kind of stuff. So you can tell we can create this type and we can assign the item category to this. So based on this, if we are going to create new PO or new RFQ, we can utilize this one. Okay. So okay. And next, I can just give you some brief about this. You can go through this MRP. So material requirement planning. Okay. So in MRP view, what is the role of MRP? So MRP means material requirement planning. So the first function is the auto generation of PR. Okay. You see, we have created PR with ME51N, right? So MRP is the functionality. We don't need to create manual PR. Okay. So this is the first functionality. We can create automatic PR. Second, material shortage. We avoid the material shortage. Because if you work on manual, right? If you follow kind of Excel sheet, okay, or any file, we can miss. But if your system is there, we can define some master data. Okay. So what happen if there is a shortage of the stock, or if it is exceed? Okay. So MRP can control. Okay. So we can control the stock level. Control and manage. Okay. And we are also confirming available to promise, right? So we are confirming material availability will be time. So these are the major functionality of MRP. Okay, we can ensure material is no shortage. Even your inventory will be more. Okay, so that is the kind of cost control MRP. Because if you manually, so what happened in the purchase department, people are worrying if it is less than what we will do. So they are unnecessarily they're putting the high inventory, right? So it is your cost control, cost inventory control. So means if you have, I know this is my consumption. Okay, periodic. Okay, I'm using monthly like 30 piece. So you will maintain your stock accordingly. So MRP knows means we will give the data into material master. So MRP knows if MRP will run, system will check. Oh, my PR is there, my stock is there. So system will not generate the excess PR. Okay. So this is the kind of functionality available. So we are promising to our inventory material available on right time at the right place. Okay, right date I can say, or right material. So in the system, okay, in the system we have two type of MRP. First is the forecast, and second is the consumption base. Okay, so forecast, what is happening? Forecast. So it is using into PP. Okay, production planning. Okay, so what happened? They putting kind of some requirement for the FG. Okay, they will say, I need to prepare 100 quantity on this month. So they will run the MRP and it means here once they will run the MRP, the system will check the BOM. So for this FG, how much material is required, like how much raw material, HALB, and system will generate the plan order. Okay, if you remember, I told you in our previous, so system will generate because ROH is the external. Okay, so system will generate the PR. Okay, and if it is hull or HUD, so this is in-house. So we are maintaining E. So system will generate the plan order. Okay, so this is a forecast plan. Okay, so it is not our part, but as a consultant, you must know. Okay, so remember, if it is app means in-house. Okay. You can see MRP2 view. Yeah, sorry, it is external. Sorry, my bad. Let me put here. If it is HLB FUT, it will be E. It is create plan order. Okay. And if it is app, it is external. And it is create PR, purchase requisitions. Okay, auto PO, I can say. No need to create manual. Okay. And this plan order can be converted to production order. Here my PP cycle, and here this ROH will be converted. I'm sorry, this is a PR. PR will be converted, auto PR will be converted into PO. Automatic, not automatic. This is a manual view. Okay. So conversion will be manually, but PR, auto PR or auto plan order can be created automatically. Okay. So this is a forecast planning we are seeing. Means here what happened? They are maintaining the BOM. In the BOM, they are saying, suppose they need to make FG one. Okay. They are defining for one FG, I need like halb 5 items and ROH 3 items. Okay. So requirement is 10. Yes, I'm giving. This is the good thing. Nobody will tell. So FG, suppose there is a 100 requirement. Okay. Requirement. FG 100. So system okay, because we defined the 5. So 500 into 5 into 5 into 500 and 3 into 100, 300. So this is a requirement will be generate system. Okay. So what happened after MRP run? System will generate the plan order for this 100 item or this 500 item plan order. This etc. Like this process is going. This is the forecast planning. You can
Yeah,
skip if you want. It is forecasting. But MRP consumption based planning, yeah. So consumption based planning we are using for kind of. So we are saying consumption based or reorder point planning. What happened? Okay, I'll take 5 minutes more. 5 or 10 minutes. If it exceeds. So in reorder point planning, what happened? We are maintaining the MRP type VB. And once you maintain the MRP type VB, you need to do a reorder point. ROP, we are saying ROP, reorder point planning. So reorder point planning, we need to say minute of scripting. Okay. So what happened? Once my MRP is running, okay, system will take if it is stock is this for this metal, my stock is less than 15. System will check the stock. If it is then create PR. So this is the functionality. So you read some Google notes. What is the functionality of MRP? You can aware about this, but as a technical, you need to give this answer. Okay. So for this while creation of material, if you're going to the initial line, MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4, while creation of material. Definitely basic data one there. This outside means procurement, like bulb or ROH, you need to maintain purchasing data also. And along with this, you need to maintain the MRP 1, 2, 3. One cost. Make sense? So if you have time, can I create one material for MRP?
Every week could be used. Lotto Star is giving away £1 million in cold hard cash. Every single week, 5 votes, 5 guaranteed millions. Bet every week from 24 November to qualify for the weekly tier. Lotto Star. When your skin needs a nourishing boost, you'll do it with SAP Skin's Nourishing Clean Body Wash. Enriched with fully moisturizing oils and glycerine, it revitalizes your skin until it says
Basic data 1, 2.
Skin Body Wash boosts your day.
Purchase
In a land of constant crime, and hope and time is hard to find. Scientists paved the way to a bright future and a culture blooms where kindness reigns, healing and soothing pains. It may not be all our nation needs today, but just a little sweetness goes a long, long way.
I'm going to create purchasing group also missing. So I will tell you purchasing group in the next topic, or I can show you, but it will take 2 minutes. So MRP 1, okay, top of the field will be same. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the plant level, okay. So if you select basic data 1, 2, it will not show the plant. But if you select MRP 1, 2, 3, 4, or accounting 1, 2, it is at plant level. So that's why plant is shown. So in the plant, in the MRP, we have MRP type, okay. So here, if it is forecast, we need to select PD. So that is not our, it is PD. Remember PD for the PP. Form expression, you can say. Okay. ND, if you select ND, plan will not work. And if you select the VB, okay, VB, order point planning. So if you press enter, we will see the configurations. Okay, I'll configure this. Meanwhile, I can show you the purchasing group. Okay, we have purchasing group also. Purchasing group, I forgot. Suppose you are not able to find out, right? We can go here. Put. Oh, I didn't click here. Oh, sorry. It is taking time. Let me find out directly. SPRO, material management, purchasing, material master, purchasing group, purchasing profile. In S/4HANA, some changes is there. Yeah, purchasing group. Okay, this is a purchasing group. So you can create your own purchasing group also. SLS prompt. So if I put here, again it is asking, okay, so I'm putting into each and everything. So what happened once it will move into the different system, we can utilize this. But here we have only one system, but in real life, we will have a different system. So we have created ZS. Okay, so if you go to here, suppose I am going to create one material. I think to not, we need to check what I created. GS something we created, right? What we have created? G. Okay, I'll check. Format. Purchasing. It is only log. Okay. So you can create from here. Okay, we have created ZS. Okay, so purchasing group we can create from here. Okay. So I would say please use the all processes what we have created. Okay. So if you see we have completed, let me check the syllabus so you people can aware. So you have already, you people have syllabus, right?
Yes, I need to cross check it, but I think that there is a syllabus, but I need to cross check it once more, to be honest. So on Monday, I'll be able to let you know that whether there is any specific syllabus which we are following. But I think yes,
Yeah. No, I'm following because I was checking. So what are the because initial what happened? I didn't follow the syllabus, because if you follow the syllabus from the day one, you people cannot follow me. Okay, I mean it is not comfort zone. Now you people are comfort zone. You know how to take a screen, how to get the new screen, how what is the transition code. So now you are able to understand. So what is my role here? I will also ask you some questions between these, so you can means note down in your interview questions. Like I said, you right. You can take the screenshot of the SPRO path. People will ask you what is the number range, what is the RFQ. So the all these points we will mention in our CV. Okay, this is the process of consultant. So if you show into your CV, definitely you will be get shortlist. And once you shortlist means you can attend interview. Once you attend interview, you will feel okay. This is the kind of questions they are asking, and we need to prepare like this, right? So yeah, you can start the googling, making documents. Once you read documents, see screen again and again, you will more confident, right? Because they will ask you like these questions. Okay, where is the purchase? See, we people also working. Okay, you maybe you work for 10 years. Okay, but sometimes they ask you, and on that time we are not able to give answer. Okay, so some people have, they remember the transactions. Some people have the command onto this. Okay, so it is happening. It is not the means big challenge. But see, if you give kind of answer, no, sometimes as a fresher, interview will be happy and they will select you. Okay, you don't know for which answer you are going to select. Maybe
Mhm.
it will ask you 12 questions. Okay, and you have given only theme. Maybe you can get select. Okay, this is happening in the SB market.
Understood.
Sometimes you
Understood.
people can give the 9 answer. Okay, even 10, 11 is right. Maybe 12 answer is a silly kind of question and you given the wrong answer. Okay, so always remember in SAP, if you don't know, okay, don't give the wrong answer. If you don't know, say, sorry, I need to check into system. I am not, means I'm blank out here. Like that you can say. Okay,
Clear.
but don't say the wrong things. Okay. And you can say, I work, I just not remember, I need to check system. Like that you can say. Okay. So I think we are into good page, I can say. And yes, I would request to practice and make documents because document will help you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And today's note, can you kindly share once?
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Let me share first this document. Okay.
Allow me 1 minute. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Have a great day and a great weekend ahead. Meet you next week.
Yeah,
Take care.
yeah. And
Bye,
if
Lebo.
you can, yeah, sorry, last point. If you can preparing kind of some soft document, please should present me some 1 or 2 pages. If you preparing, that would be great.
Sure, sure.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye. Bye.
Happy weekend. Thank you, guys. Happy weekend. We will meet you again next week. Be practice. Thank you. Bye bye.